Hello and welcome. So I'm at the Birmingham Motorhome Campervan show. This is a Vantage Motorhomes Neo Campervan with a rear lounge. It's 636 centimeters in length and will cost £92,400. It comes with 200 watts of roof mounted solar. It has a 200 amp hour lithium leather battery which will keep you on the go for ages. It's got an underslung 25 litre gas tank, again that'll keep you going for ages. It's got a Truma Combi 2-in-1 heater. It's got an 85 litre low energy fridge. That's something that this fridge and I have got in common. We've got two things in common: we're both cold and we're both low energy. And that's what it looks like inside. I probably look like that inside as well. It comes with, over here, it has a oh, look at that, they filled that up with food already. That's handy. I shall come back when that comes out. And in here we've got the wardrobe, and over here we've got 3 burners. We have got this, the what do you call that? The oven. And in here we've got a sorry, it's made probably. This is the there's the washroom. Very well done. It's compact. Bench toilet, it's easier to clean. You can see yourself in the mirror. There's a bit of storage behind that, and you can see your back in the mirror as well, should you be so inclined. Sink, of course, could be a little bit smaller, but I like a thick sink rather than these other ones, so I don't really have a problem with that. Now the sink in here is slightly different. Somebody said to me I've got to call this a sink and the other one a basin in the washroom, so forgotten who told me to say that, but I did give an explanation why that could not be the case, but I shall try and call the one in the basin the sink in the washroom or basin in order to respond to viewer requests. Wonderful rear lounge, and look, you've got all these windows around as well, so you can admire what's going on outside. You can see the majestic herds of wildebeest and zebra passing by as you park on Dartmoor, and it's really good in my opinion. Also comes with this thing here, which a bit of insulation between the doors. I've never noticed a draft there, but somebody must have complained about it, so anyway, they've actually reacted to whatever that complaint was. As you can see, you make a bed up here. You've got the parts for the bed under the seating here, and then you use these bits here come out to fill in here to make your bed with. So rear lounge vehicle, this is what they specialize in. They do 541 centimeter long, 6 meter version, 599 centimeter, and this one here as well, the longer version, 636 centimeter. Very attractive vehicle in my opinion. Also, I'll point out that the proper drawers with proper sides in here. So good. Right hand drive. It's got the door on the left hand side. It's manufactured in the United Kingdom. Those who don't manufacture in the United Kingdom tend not to put it here. It's got comes with an insect screen, and there you go. Vantage Motorhomes, part exchange available. Very attractive vehicle. Rear lounge. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.